Cats and Dogs quiz. Test your knowledge about our furry friends. First one, let's go. What breed of dog is known for its distinctive blue-black tongue? Chow Chow. Second one, which popular cat breed is known for being hairless? Sphinx. Third one, which dog breed is commonly associated with the firehouse? Dalmatian. Hit the follow button if you got all 3 questions right. Fourth one, what is the average lifespan of a domestic cat? 10 to 15 years. Write in the comments what you prefer, more cats or dogs. Fifth one, which dog breed is the smallest in the world? Chihuahua. Sixth one, what is a group of cats called?